The Fed is back in focus this week. Let's bring in Dan Deming at KKM Financial. Dan, what's your market expectation following the Fed decision last Wednesday and the busy triple witching expiration last Friday?
Well, today, Angie, when I look at this week ahead, one thing that certainly is front and center is post-expiration, as we are going to see some repositioning now that we've seen a substantial amount of options come off the table and that quarterly expiration last week. Couple that with geopolitical tensions continuing to have an influence in the markets as, again, there's still a significant amount of uncertainty surrounding the potential outcomes. And the final thing would be, I guess, 3A and 3B would be the Fed. As you pointed out, the Fed does, we do have the Fed chairman testifying on Capitol Hill this week, so that will be key. Couple that with data as we have some inflation data late in the week.
Anything catching your eye in the stock market?
Well, it's going to be interesting as we come out of this expiration cycle, Angie, as to how market participants are going to reposition themselves going into the third quarter. I think that that's going to create some back and forth price action as we close out June into July. I think there's still potential for the market to give back a little ground before maybe finding some higher price levels and maybe challenging those all-time highs that we did see early in the year.
Thank you, Dan. Have a good week.
All right. Thanks for having me, Angie.